This is something very, very, very new. And you can see the hole. It's easy. The old timers, we know, on the Sooy, they only went to 150 meters, 8 levels. So let's say they came down and all they wanted was that half meter, that quartz vein. They wanted nothing else. They didn't want tiger. They wanted nothing out here. That's all they mined for the whole mine. So we said, okay, they've come down here. We've got the records. Let's just drill just underneath that, and we should pick up that 2.5 meter Sooy vein. That's what the team did. I didn't say that. I should say they said that. That's what they wanted to test with the last hole of December. We got down to that depth, and you can see we didn't think so at first. We actually did not go quite deep enough. We think we need a couple more feet. We cut through where the vein we thought should be, and there was a working there. That means that we weren't quite deep enough. So the old timers, maybe they took it to here, if you understand. This is the quartz vein. But here's where the technical team just, this is why I think they're the best in the business. Been doing this for a long time, a lot of mines, a lot of discoveries. They let the drill go past the footwall. We all know what the footwall is. As you get outside this quartz vein, the mineralization decreases, and that's the footwall, and then it stops. And they started to drill into dead rock, nothing. And the beautiful thing they did, though, was they let the drill, because once in a while, you just want to see what's down there. They let that drill go another 50 or 60 meters. And after 12 meters of the dead rock, we plowed right into this. We really thought in the beginning that maybe this was an old haulage way from the mine, and we'd hit the Sooy vein just for a short period of time, and it was really wide. But the minute we looked at this mineralization, it's not vein. It's all we can say is it's, and I'm going to use the lay terms. I'm not the geologist. It is wonderful, wonderful, highly mineralized rock, and look at the width and look at the grade. 12 meters of almost 700 grams. Go look at the press release. 22 meters. That is very valuable rock of almost 400 grams per ton silver. We look at it, and this is how it's been explained to me, and I'll explain it to the lay people here. Almost like a total new type of mineralization. There is so much work done on this old mine, papers, but all they talk about is what they mined. High grade meter, half meter quartz vein. This is not a quartz vein. It's almost, and it's not an alteration zone around the vein like the LT gray, where at the top here, we get 50, 60 meters of the gold coming outside the vein. It's a total new type of mineralization, wide, and almost what we think, almost like a sponge that's just sucked. As you got to remember, these epithermal events, these fluids came, all these minerals came. Many times they were deposited in the quartz vein, and of course some disseminated in the LT grade. This is a type of rock we're now seeing that really absorbed all of this high-grade material. Not a vein, much to be done. Our geologists are working on it now, but the minute we saw it, our team knew it was something important with the quartz vein, with all the things in it, and we'll get more description out as we go. So, what we started to do was to try to intercept this vein underneath the workings, and we found this. So now we got two targets. Rest assured, our next hole will be just a little deeper, and then we'll step towards me, if the screen I'm writing on, towards south, north, and of course we'll go above it. What we expect we're going to see as we do go below it is we just miss this quartz vein. So we do expect, when we put the next results out, we're hoping, and we've got, I think, 2 or 3 holes done on that. 2 drills immediately came to this when we saw the result. Immediately have been put here, banging out core. You're going to see, we hope, if it's a little deeper, just say 10 feet, 20 feet, you're going to nail that Sooy vein, which should be that super high-grade vein the old-timers went after, quartz vein. You should come through that hanging wall dead rock, and then we're hoping we start to plow. I'm confident we will, into this wide zone. We just need to find out how big this is. This is a total game changer for the company.